This question came to me from Vijayanagar Vandali, who said that how to reduce cost while setting up a school. Uh, yes, I think everyone wants, nobody would want to waste extra money when you're setting up a school. So where does the main cost go? So the cost would go in if you're taking a franchise, some franchise fee would be there. Second would be your infrastructure, your interiors, furniture, teaching aids, toys, equipment. I'm assuming the building is either already there or you are going to be taking it on lease or on rent basis. Third would be the launch advertisement. So whenever you launch a new project, you have to invest money on the launch. So if you don't launch well, what happens is it's a very slow start. And finally, the last is the operating expense for the first few months. Now, no project will give you positive cash flows from the first month itself. Yes, sometimes it does happen when somebody launches a school and they happen to be lucky or they do the right things and they get a really good response from the community and they're able to cover their cost from the first day itself. That does happen, but you can't. It's not confirmed. So you should have a plan B. So what if your aim should be to reach that, but if it doesn't happen, then you should keep some money to survive the first few months. Your biggest costs are going to be rental, if there's any rental in the property, and your teacher salary, and a little bit of advertisement. Now, how to keep your costs low? The thing is that your aim has to be that whatever money you're spending has to make parents impressed. They should feel impressed with your work. They should feel that this is a quality institution. Now you can see what other schools in your community what are the other choices that parents have. So you should go and visit them, see what are they offering and what are they charging. Now what you have to do is give parents a much better option in terms of infrastructure. Initially, infrastructure does not really impact the learning. It's not the walls don't teach, the furniture doesn't teach the children. But when you set up good infrastructure, it sends a message to the parents that this is a quality institution. They feel that if they have invested so much on the infrastructure, on interiors, they will not compromise on the quality of teachers. But if you make a substandard school and expect people to join you and say, no, my teachers are going to be very good, it doesn't work that way. So in terms of your infrastructure, can you be smart? A is you have to do a lot of research. You have to get quotes from different people, and for the first find the product, then find where to source them. Should you source them from the head office, from a regional distributor, from a local retailer? So you have to find different products, and from the products you find, first is the category. This is the category of items I need to purchase. From the category you find out products, and from products you go to brand. So you have to do this research yourself, and of course negotiate after that for it, and then that's how you will be saving cost. If you really are serious, I'm doing a webinar on how to open a successful school. Do sign up for it. The link is in the description, where I'll talk about the area requirement, investment, how will schools open after COVID, how will schools look once they reopen. So if you want all this information, do register yourself in that. So anyways, the second way, which I feel is a smarter way, is to take a franchise of a good organization. Now there are two kinds of franchise organizations. Ones which earn a lot of money from setup. So once you sign up with them, you are forced to buy a kit or something like that, where you have to give a check to the company, and they'll give you a huge list of items that you'll get all this. Ultimately, there are 50 to 60% margins comfortably on all products, and you end up paying much more. So I don't think that's a very good strategy, because so these companies, what they would do is they'll give you a discount at a very low franchise fee, but they know the conditions they've asked you to buy a kit from them, and in the kit there's a lot of margin. We don't believe in that. We have a very transparent model. Whatever we have to charge, we tell you upfront, and then after that we give you a list of products. These are the good products and these are the prices. In fact, we give an open challenge that if you can get a better price than what we are giving you, we will take your source and start purchasing from them. So that is a very transparent model, because my aim is that I want to help our franchisees really save money, because with the same investment they can create a much better infrastructure rather than trying to earn from your setup. If I try and earn from setup, your school will not be impressive, because the brand has earned money from there. My intention is that I want, if you are investing 2 lakh rupees, it should look like 5 lakh rupees worth of investment. The school will do well, the admissions will go up, my share will also go up as a franchise fee. So I'm just taking a long-term vision. It's not that I'm stupid or somewhere where I don't know how to earn money. It is just being patient. So what we try and do is we give you the company's name, the material, the products, and we say if you find something better or a better price, let us know about it. My aim is to save lakhs and lakhs of rupees for our franchisees. On top of that, with all our vendors, what we do is we tell them that we're opening 2 schools every week. So with that, just with that fact, we're able to negotiate very good prices. So discounts that you get with, if you're a franchisee of Shamrock and Shamford, is much more. It's the highest ever, and there are no kickbacks, no cuts, and all those discounts are given, and then the websites are given. So you are free to negotiate yourself, but we'll tell you these are the right products based on, because we have the experience of similar cities. So we can tell you for your kind of city, this is the kind of investment that will be required. If it's a upmarket area in Delhi, this is the kind of infrastructure that parents will expect. If you're in a tier 3 city in a village area, this is the kind of infrastructure, these are the companies, these are the products, and this is our pricing. So this is a very transparent model that we have, and something because we are perhaps the world's largest school chain run and managed by educators. We're all teachers here who are the management. So the difference is that the ethics are very important for us. So when we choose a partner, we also look at the ethics of the party. We also look at the reasons why you want to open a school. Some people, if you're opening a school just for money, we don't like to partner with such people, because the reason to open a school has to be much more than just money. So again, if you want to know more, if you want to hear more from us, I would strongly encourage you to sign up for this webinar that I'm doing on how to open a successful school post-corona. The details are given in the description. Just sign up for it. One of my team members will get in touch with you. As I said, I'll talk about the area, investment, and the requirements that are there. I'll talk about how will schools reopen after corona, when will they open, how will they look, and how has corona impacted the economics of running a school. So I'll talk about all these things. I'll talk about if you want to continue your journey with us, what all you can do and how you can associate with us. So it's a lot of value, and I hope that to see you there in my webinar. And if you have any questions, please ask in the comments below. If you feel that you've learned something in this video, do like this video, so I know that it's motivating for me. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon, so that I know that so that you are able to be informed, you are informed of the time whenever I post a new video. I'm trying to be more regular. I'm trying to answer more questions, because a lot of people who have either lost their businesses or lost their jobs are now looking at schooling as a very recession-free sector. It doesn't have ups and downs. It's a core business need. It's a core need of families. Education is the last area where parents will cut the budget. So it's something that if you want to be an entrepreneur, but you want not just money, but you want respect, you want a sense of satisfaction of giving back to your communities, then I think there's nothing better than a school. And if you want to learn more about it, register yourself for the webinar. It's absolutely free of cost, and we'll get in touch with you, share the passwords, and I look forward to seeing you in my webinar. Thank you so much for listening. If again any questions, you know what to do. Write in the comments below.